Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and positioning the earbuds correctly. Plug the case in until the LED reads fully charged, then open the lid near your phone so pairing begins. Once done, remove both earbuds and place them in your ears. Press and hold the multi-button for 2 to 3 seconds to wake them. You do this because proximity plus a fresh battery avoids connection drops, and waking both buds ensures stereo pairing. Make sure to keep the phone screen active during the first setup. You now confirm pairing and learn controls. Tap your phone's Bluetooth list, choose the Marshall device name, and accept the pairing prompt. This binds the buds to your phone so future connections are automatic. Next, practice the touch or press gestures. Short press to play or answer, double press to skip, long press for voice assistant, so you don't fumble mid-call. Also, swap ear tips and try a tight seal. That improves bass response and microphone pickup. Once comfortable, close the settings and test audio. You finish by locking in habits that keep the earbuds reliable. After each session, return both buds to the case to power them off and recharge. This preserves battery life and pairing state. If things go wrong, like one bud not connecting, place them in the case, then hold the pairing button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks to reset and repair. Finally, make sure to install firmware updates through the Marshall app for better performance and bug fixes. This solves many intermittent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.